on defense, as you see Coach Al Francis Chu.
A minute and 42. Here's Chimuel Torion who gets the contact.
10 in the evening dito sa Viva TV.
At palagay ko pinanunod tayo ng mga kasama natin from the PBA and of course the players from both these two teams.
The bright spot in that offensive ng Coca-Cola is that they were able to get attempts at second chance points.
Several attempts ang naibigay sa Coca-Cola Tigers o nakuha nila para sa kanilang sarili with a couple of offensive rebounds. Samantala, walang score yun. Yung tiranggan, it is still 23-7. Nauna yung foul. Another setup job here para kay Will Antonio. Runs into the Monhout. Hands it off to Matthew Rivas. It's taken away by Chimuel Torion, who immediately calls a timeout. 65-48, 17-point lead by Red Bull Barako. Chimuel Torion hemmed in by Carriazo and the Barrientos. Sues for time, and then.
Dalawang beses na nag-timeout si Torion, no? In a tight spot. But ito si Rudy Hatfield, ano yan? Well, a little bit hot under the collar now because of the way things are going.
Rampage. That cut the lead down to 18.
Yung trapper eh.
At dito, Johnny Abarientos had to give us the foul.
Kasi na-mismatch siya kaagad eh.
But
he was up against Victor Thomas.
He didn't have to, but he did.
Sina Abarientos, Hatfield at Carriazo. At may foul pa dito si Will Antonio. Shooting na naman ng Red Bull.
Alright, penalty situation po ito. At bibigyan po ng dalawang pagkakataon si Chimuel Torion.
Torion only 6 points in game number 1.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, ano? Pwedeng si Chimuel ngayon ang point guard dito. Off-guard, slides off-guard. Itong si...
Bilis talaga bumaba nitong Air 21 Express. Speed move, huli ni Chimuel Torion.
Well, si Homer Sedon. Dahil kompleto na yung skill ito si Chimuel Torion. Eh. Malaki kang tao. Diba? 6'4", 6'5 ka. Speed move ka. An ambush kung maliit na mama.
Point lead by the Air 21 Express. Cabagnot cuts it down to just 4 on that jumper. 42-38, 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining.
Kala ko ba nasa kondisyon nito si Chimuel Torion? Saan pagod na ako? Palitan mo.
The team standings, medyo nakakagrihan pa si Belano at si Chimuel Torion. The word being changed.
And now we see the first of it for a big man dito sa PBA as we take a look. Sising-sisi siya, oh.
Whoa! What a player!
Watch it again. Aagawan niya si Bal David dito sa crossover move ni Bal.
Dapat 3 beses na yan na naagawan si Bal David ni Chimuel Torion.
And he is embarrassing the Flash at the moment, although Barangay Ginebra continues to lead in this basketball game by 16 points, 73-57. We'll be back.
Just stole the ball away from him.
Ito si David, 6 seconds na. Agawan na naman ni Torion. Another steal by Chimuel. Tora. Torion Minigayo in the final quarter of what has been an auspicious debut for the PBA 2000. There's going to be a foul as David and Torion are entangled
Alam
on
mo,
the floor.
partner, sa tingin ko, nagkakainitan yung dalawa. I think Bal David was embarrassed by Torion earlier when the ball was stolen from him. Tapos naka-score ito si Torion. Ito, panurin natin itong replay natin.
Aagawan sana uli ni Torion.
One-on-one action.
Pero inihila niya.
Hinila niya. Naku. Pagsak yung dalawa. Napaupo yung dalawa. Naku, yun.
Binaksakan pa niya.